tools for the workers.
Hello and welcome to today's Unreal Engine stream.
Hello and welcome to today's Unreal Engine.
Today we will add a mesh for our construction site of the buildings. That means we will check if one of our meshes suits it, and if not, we will search new ones. Let's see. Okay, I will show you what I added. I added a construction site. That means the building is not built directly. There is a construction site before, and your workers have to bring materials to this construction site, and it is finished when all material needed is there. So this looks like that right now. When I build a lumberjack hut, you see this is the construction site right now, and when we wait a little, it turns to the building. Right now I don't have any material costs there, that's why it built itself without any material. So, and now you can see we want that cone to be a construction site. And I'm not sure how we do it, but maybe we keep the foundation of the buildings. So let's see, I will open the default construction site, and now we add I would add the wooden decks. Let's see. I'm not sure if we have to move it in the middle. Let's see how it looks now. When we build a building now, lumberjack hut. Okay, no, it's not. So it should be parent of this. Child, of course. And then we copy the locations, and then we hope it's the same. But actually it doesn't really look like, because it's not in the middle. So when we build it now, okay, it's anywhere. Why is it not the same? Oh, that's why. Now it's the same. So let's see, when we use the small house, that's cool. That's cool. I like it. So now we add we also add the stairs. Okay. They are lost. Oh, I used the wrong one. So, and now we need one mesh on top of it. Some tools. Now when I build a lumberjack hut, it's good. When I build a small house, it's good. When I build a mining building, it's not good, but it is not good at all. So when I build a kitchen, we have these, and it's getting big. We will change this one. When I build a hunter's hut, it's good. Now we have to add things that this looks like a construction site. For this, we will look into our plugin or edit content and check out if there are any good meshes for our construction site, and I see the first one here. We will make the log pile. And some crafting table is not bad. So what do we have here? Okay, let's see, where is this log pile? So this log pile is important. Maybe. So we have this log pile. Fireplace, we don't have a fireplace here. We don't have food here. We don't have clothes here. Maybe we add some height on the floor. It's a construction site, not a living room. So we had this, light props, no packaging props, that's what we needed. Some stuff. Where the material. So this is actually very fun work, not programming for today. So then we add another of the sacks. Is this a big package or small package? Small. So let's do a big one too. And some smalls. So we add this. And turn it 90 degree. Minus 90. And then we put it here. Cleans here, and some other six are lying down. Maybe more of these. Oh. I want another one of these. Where is it? Okay, and then we want somehow a table here. What's this? Yeah, this one is not bad. Oh, and this. Maybe also this. We take the desk. This is for working. So here the worker build up the house. So then here we have we delete this and add this arrangement of the packagings here. And then we add a small table, maybe like this. Or let's see what we have. Tool rack. tool rack is also nice. We need some hammers. For working. So we turn it around. And put it somewhere here. Or here. And the table more on the back. So it already does look like a construction site. This is easier than I thought. So we add a chair. And let's see what we have. Table props. I already used this. Wooden barrels. I could add this space in. Here. It's in the air. So now it's on the floor. I think we got our first construction site. It's a little bit messy, but construction sites are messy. So let's see how this looks like. So we build a lumberjack hut. We have the construction site. And it changes. So now we arrange the input arrow. This is where the transport characters bring the input material. And let's see how this is working. We add our hunter's hut. We add construction costs, 5 wood or 3 wood. Okay, then we build a house, a lumberjack hut. We let him chop some wood. After this he should transport the wood, and we build a hunter's hut. This is now, yeah, now he takes the wood. He took 3 wood, brings it here, and the building is finished. It's good. So for every smaller house, we do have the construction site, but we still need a construction site for the bigger buildings. And for the mining buildings. So let's see. We copy this one. We call this construction site small. And this one construction site large. And we use another building. So what? Let's remove the building costs here. And now we open up the kitchen and the large construction site. And now we need more. Let's remove this. And we add the wooden deck and the stairs. Okay, where is it? Okay. Somehow this didn't work. So we have this mesh, we have the wooden deck, copy, paste. Copy, paste. Move it here. Now it looks better. So then we copy the locations. I forget the hotkey for a moment. So 11, a little bit of boring work today. 12. I'm sure there's a possibility to make this faster, but I do it like this now. So the problem now is that we will need a construction site for every for every new building type. So when we build even bigger buildings, we need a new construction site, but I think it's fine. I automated so much things. I will keep this for now. So sure, I could copy the wooden decks from one actor to the other, but yeah, then it would be harder to add. One is missing. To add the other things like the bottle, like the packaging things and the wooden stuff. So I think one is missing. Check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So which one is this? Number 9. Number 9 is the problem. So now we have the bigger construction site. Let's see if this is working when we go to the bigger buildings, crafting, kitchen. We can set the custom building, the construction site. We take the large one. Also for the factory, we take the large construction site and we need a third one for the store warehouse. Okay, a middle one, and let's see when we build a kitchen. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. I think that it was a good idea to have these foundations. It makes it much cleaner to build buildings. So now we want to make the medium construction site. And then we add more of the stuff. Maybe I will do it off stream. You see how it looks. And this is what I will do for the other construction sites. So construction site, what I forgot, the input arrow. I want to bring the stuff to the stairs. For now. Okay. So construction site medium. We delete it again. We Compile. Now we open up the warehouse. Copy the meshes. Insert. And now we copy the values again. Let's start with the stairs. Maybe I can somehow attach the mesh locations from the building to the construction site, because now when I change something on the building foundation, I will have a problem with the construction site. Shouldn't do it. I hope I don't have to do it, but it would be nice if the values are just copied from one actor to another, but it will not be that easy. So now we have the foundation of the medium construction site. Let's check this out. The basic warehouse should use the medium construction site, and when we build the basic warehouse, we construct the building. So this will be it for today. We made this nice construction site for our buildings. And next time we will start. So off stream I will change the construction side of the mining building. And change the mining building at all. And then we will make a nice UI. So I think I'm at this point where I need a nice UI. To make it, to make it easier to interact with the world. Oh, I'm thinking no. How could this location be empty? Okay. I don't fix the bug now. So we'll see you at next stream. Have a nice day. Bye bye.